guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Error E13 on Bosch washing machine. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Bosch machine here, well in this case there are going to be a few things that you could try to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to check your drain hose. So you want to inspect the hose at the back of your machine that connects to the drain. Now ensure the hose is not kink or bent, which could block water flow. Now verify the hose is not positioned too high, above like 1 to 1.5 meters, or too low, as improper positioning can overwork the drain pump. Next that you want to do here is you want to ensure proper airflow. You want to check the drain hose that connects to the drainage pipe here and make sure the pipe is not sealed with tape or any other material, as this can prevent air from entering, which is necessary for proper drainage. And also, you might want to inspect your drain pump. Now, depending on your model, you need to locate or access the panel for the drain pump, often near the bottom front of the machine. So as you can see, it's going to be at the bottom right in this specific model. Now, you want to open the panel and check for obstructions like buttons, coins, or small debris that could block the pump. Now, next you want to do is you want to check for clogs. So inspect the drain hose itself for blockages and detach your hose if necessary and clear any clogs. And finally, after doing all the steps that we've shown before, you could go ahead and address, or in this case, test your machine. So run the washing machine to see if the error is resolved or is still appearing. Now, if none of those works, it means that there are going to be deeper problems on your washing machine. So it's best to contact customer service or customer support for this one to get assistance on fixing it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.